Welcome back to Apple Insider, the place where we bring you the most detailed, clear, and in-depth reviews of the latest tech devices. Today we're diving into a phone that redefines nostalgia with a modern twist, the Nokia 1100 4G. For years, the original Nokia 1100 was an icon of durability, simplicity, and reliability. Now it's back with a new generation, upgraded for the modern era while keeping the soul of what made it legendary. In this review, we're going to break it down in a keynote style, one feature at a time, so you can understand exactly what makes this device stand out in today's crowded market. Number 1 is design and build quality. Nokia has always been known for making phones that can take a beating, and the 1100 4G continues that legacy. When you first hold it in your hand, you'll notice its compact shape and lightweight build, making it feel incredibly practical for everyday use. Unlike the fragile glass slabs that dominate the market today, the Nokia 1100 4G embraces a polycarbonate shell that is tough, resistant to scratches, and perfect for rough handling. The tactile buttons give you that satisfying click every time you type, bringing back the experience of physical keypads that people miss in the age of touchscreens. The grip is comfortable, with curves designed to fit naturally in your palm, so it doesn't slip easily. This phone is designed to be functional more than flashy, but its simplicity is its strength. Whether you're someone who wants a reliable backup device or a minimalist who values durability, this design and build quality makes a statement that Nokia still knows how to create phones that last. Number 2 is display. The Nokia 1100 4G doesn't try to compete with the massive OLED panels of modern smartphones, but it delivers exactly what it promises, a clear, bright, and easy-to-read screen. The color reproduction is simple, the text is sharp, and most importantly, it remains visible even in direct sunlight. This is a phone that prioritizes legibility over entertainment, and in doing so, it hits the right balance for its purpose. The screen size is modest, but that works perfectly with its keypad interface. You can easily read messages, check contacts, and navigate menus without straining your eyes. Nokia's choice to keep things straightforward means this display uses very little power, extending battery life and making it ideal for users who want a no-nonsense phone that works in every environment. It's a display that feels like a throwback but performs with the efficiency of modern engineering. Number 3 is performance. The Nokia 1100 4G is not designed to rival flagship smartphones in terms of speed, but it provides a surprisingly smooth experience for its category. Powered by a lightweight chipset optimized for essential tasks, it runs through menus quickly, launches apps without delay, and handles basic multitasking comfortably. The real highlight here is its 4G connectivity, which gives you faster calling, clearer voice quality, and better coverage compared to the old 2G and 3G networks. This ensures the Nokia 1100 4G is not just a nostalgic device but one that works efficiently in today's modern network environment. For browsing basic web pages, checking messages, or even using lightweight apps, this phone is fast and responsive. It's built for practicality, and Nokia made sure the performance matches what you actually need instead of adding unnecessary complexity. Number 4 is camera. This is where expectations need to be realistic. The Nokia 1100 4G includes a basic camera that gets the job done for quick snaps but isn't designed to replace your main smartphone's advanced lens. It's functional for capturing important moments, saving visual notes, or sharing a picture when needed. The camera works best in bright light, delivering acceptable sharpness and clarity. While it won't give you cinematic photography or high-resolution video, the inclusion of a camera on a phone of this class is more about convenience than competition. For the target audience who want a reliable phone with basic functionality, this is more than enough. Number 5 is battery life. Here's where the Nokia 1100 4G truly shines. Battery life has always been one of Nokia's strongest features, and this phone takes it to another level. Equipped with a large removable battery, it can last several days on a single charge depending on usage. Standby time is outstanding, meaning you can leave this phone untouched for days and it will still be ready when you need it. This makes it perfect for people who travel frequently, work in environments where charging isn't always possible, or just want a phone they can trust during emergencies. Unlike most smartphones that require daily charging, the Nokia 1100 4G brings back the era of phones you don't have to constantly worry about plugging in. It's a relief in today's fast-draining smartphone world. Number 6 is software and features. The Nokia 1100 4G runs on a simple, lightweight operating system designed for efficiency. The interface is easy to navigate, menus are straightforward, and there is no learning curve. It also comes with essential modern features like 4G calling, messaging apps support, FM radio, torchlight, and even some basic entertainment options like pre-installed games that remind you of classic Nokia fun. It includes modern necessities like Bluetooth connectivity and the ability to use a memory card for storage expansion. The software is designed to keep things clean and functional, with no bloatware or unnecessary clutter slowing you down. For people who want a break from the distraction-heavy world of modern smartphones, this stripped-down software is a breath of fresh air. Number 7 is value for money. Nokia has priced the 1100 4G to be accessible, and that is one of its biggest advantages. You're not paying for bells and whistles you don't need. Instead, you're investing in reliability, durability, and practicality. As a secondary phone, it makes perfect sense. As a primary device for someone who doesn't want to get lost in the smartphone ecosystem, it's a bargain. It combines modern connectivity with classic Nokia simplicity at a price point that feels almost nostalgic in itself. When you consider the longevity, low maintenance, and sheer toughness of this phone, the value it delivers is unmatched. In conclusion, the Nokia 1100 4G is not just a phone, it's a statement. It reminds us that technology doesn't always have to be complicated to be effective. With its strong build quality, clear display, reliable performance, functional camera, legendary battery life, streamlined software, and unbeatable value, it delivers exactly what it promises. It is a perfect blend of old-school durability with modern-day essentials, making it a phone that stands apart in a world dominated by fragile and overpriced smartphones. If you're looking for a reliable companion phone, a minimalist device, or simply a piece of nostalgia reborn with a modern twist, the Nokia 1100 4G is an excellent choice. At Apple Insider, we believe this phone is proof that simplicity still has power. And sometimes, going back to basics with a touch of modern technology is the smartest step forward.